checking out my video. This video is going to show you all the brake checks that are specific just to Colorado for the vehicle inspection test. I'm just going to go through them step by step. It's pretty easy, okay? Here we go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is verify that the park brake holds the vehicle. So to do that, we need to release the trailer brake, put the vehicle in gear, slowly release the clutch, and gently pull. And as soon as you feel that clutch engage, we're going to go ahead and push the clutch back in, and we didn't move, so that tells us park brake holds. The next step is to release the tractor brake and verify that the service brake will stop the vehicle. So again, we'll put it in gear, release park brake, roll forward at approximately 5 miles an hour, and step on the service brake, and the vehicle doesn't pull to the left or to the right, and we stop safely. Okay? So the next step, with the vehicle in neutral, we can also put it in gear, turn the vehicle off, and make sure you turn the key on at this point right away so that you have power. Vehicle's holding in place. The first thing we're going to do is check for leaks in the system. We've got both our valves in. We're going to hold the service brake, push air through the system, and hold it for 1 minute. Make sure we don't lose more than 4 psi in 1 minute. Okay, system held, no leaks. We're going to move on to the next step. We're going to look for the low air warning. That's going to happen approximately 60 psi. To do that, we're going to depress and release the the service brake, and fan off the air. My low air warning, buzzer, and light came on at about 60 psi on this vehicle. The next thing we're going to do is verify when we get our brakes to set. That should happen somewhere around 40 psi. We're going to continue fanning off air and see when we get our brakes to set. And in this vehicle, they set at about 25 psi. The next step, we're going to start the vehicle again, depress the clutch, make sure we're in neutral. Slowly release the clutch. Alright, so we're building air. I'm at about 90 psi on the secondary. My primary's building, it's at about 65, 70. The next step, and the last step, is to verify that the air compressor is working properly. We're going to make sure the gauge rises from 85 right now to 100 within 45 seconds. And there's 100, and that was well under 45 seconds, so that meets the criteria. The last step is to go all the way to governor cutout, which should be approximately 120 psi. We'll wait for the release. And there it is. This vehicle cut out at about 125. So those are the air brake checks specific to Colorado. One thing you can do is just verbalize it sitting at home on your couch, because when you're doing the test, you will have to verbalize it as you demonstrate it. I hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.